Hello, welcome to Taylor My Stories. It's a brand new episode with me, Neeti Taylor Baba. I hope you guys are doing good, and yes, I'm again back with my pom pom. And firstly, I want to say thank you all for so many questions that are coming in. I mean, मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है, but don't forget to keep sending because every Tuesday I'm going to be answering all your questions. So get to know me better if you want to know anything about my personal life, if you want to know my dislikes, likes, everything, and कुछ भी मन में आए वो पूछना है. If you need an advice, I'm right here. So anything, I am here for you guys, and do not forget. Okay, so आज का topic है about the type of friends that we have in our life. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys कि मेरे life में कैसे कैसे friends है, and वैसे भी normally हम सबके life में कैसे होते हैं, so that we guys can relate to each other. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin the session. Okay, so the first one is the copycat friend. Having similar tastes often makes a friendship go round, but then there's always that one friend that takes it to a step further and straight up copies the exact things that you do or you buy. If you spend a lot of time together, this can highly be very irritating and awkward for the longest time. Matching outfits, is this cute or not? And like copying your style, copying the way you talk. Okay, so I don't want to name any of my friends, but I have a friend who's like that. I can't even say, then you guys will guess the names. No, but I have a friend who does that a lot. And मेरे को याद है जब I was younger, I used to make this choti because my sister used to fly with Kingfisher, so she used to make like वो puff वाले, you know, वो आ गए थे in fashion थे, पता नहीं क्या था. She used to make those puffs, okay, and because of her I used to make it. So I remember I had a lot of people copying me when I used to go, and like the way I talk. I talk like this and I have few words that are my words. मैं बहुत है ऐसे words जो सिर्फ मैं बोलती हूँ, but फिर वो words copy हो जाते हैं. मेरे को जैसे earrings पसंद है. I know that for a fact that I have friends who will suddenly, I've never seen them wearing earrings, but then they will be wearing earrings. And you know, like I'm a very nude lip person, so that also has that. So many things are. The worst is the way I talk and like how I have a habit of buying phones every year. I'm telling you, I get copied and how, and it's so irritating because I hate it. I don't like matching unless, you know, it's happened naturally. Okay, the second type of friend is the ride or die friend. This is a friend in your life who's always there when the going gets tough, with a pint of Ben and Jerry's or a bottle of wine to help you through. And she or he will also be a friend who, you know, will wholeheartedly agree with you, will give you advice, will be there for you. You know, if you've had a terrible day at work, she will be there to hug you, or he will be there to hug you. If you had a fight with your parents and whatever, that person will be there for you. So in my life, that person is Ananya. Ananya is someone who will be there even at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Actually, I will cry, and then she's just there. I just have to be like, and she is there. So that person in my life that I ever, you know, that friend is Ananya for sure. And for my other friends, it's me. One is a college friend, the friend who was your absolute bestie in college, but from whom you have grown apart. Whenever you are together, though, you indulge in some serious, nostalgic, you know, moments. Have the best time and wonder why you guys don't see each other anymore. I have that person in my life, that is Asra. So she was my best friend in college, and once I was in her house, घर आने के लिए to sleep when I'm apart. But always we were like the best of friends, and then we had like a small group. But she got married, and she then shifted to Delhi, and she kept skipping to Bombay, Delhi, but we never got a chance to meet. पर हम जब भी बात भी करते हैं, जब भी हम मिलते हैं, it's like, oh my god, you remember that we did, you remember this? Now the other kind of friend, the narcissist. Me should be her nickname, as this type of friend always has to be at the center of every conversation, center of attraction, and the center of attention. She turns every single conversation into an excuse to talk about herself, yet really ask, how are you doing? It's always about her, like everything is about her. I also have that kind of friend. You guys have? Please comment below. ज़्यादा मैं विस्तार से बताना नहीं चाहूँगी, but yes, I have a friend who, everything. अरे मेरा experience सुनो, मतलब firstly तो you've experienced everything in every field. किसी और का experience नहीं है, लेकिन तुम्हारा experience है.
तुम्हारी फीलिंग तुम्हारी, तो ताड़ा कुत्ता टॉमी, साडा कुत्ता कुत्ता.
It's like मेरा कुत्ता कुत्ता, तुम्हारा कुत्ता टॉमी, साडा कुत्ता टॉमी. Whatever, you guys understood, right? Type of friend, the boy crazy one. Speaking of which, this is a type of friend every woman has, who won't stop obsessing about finding a boyfriend or meeting a cute guy, or just planning outfits, nights, and sometimes her entire social life is planned on how to find a boyfriend or how to find a guy. So yes, I don't have such a friend, but I've heard of such people. So yeah. The next type of friend is the flake. Many of us know this type of friend all too well. You guys make plans and she or he either insanely late or totally bails. He or she cannot be counted on ever. End of the story. ये मेरे साथ बहुत होता है. अगर आपको नहीं आना तो नहीं आओ ना, बता दो. Why are you making the other person like, oh yeah, I'm coming, and make the entire plan and you're ready, and then suddenly say, oh, I can't come. This happens to me, and this is one of my closest friends who does that to me, and it annoys me. Why can't you just be honest? If you don't want to go anywhere, no one's forcing you, or putting a gun to your throat and saying you have to come with me. No one's saying that. But yes, I get ditched a lot, and I have a friend who is like that. Why can't? And I always just say, why can't you just say no? It doesn't take a minute to say no. It doesn't take a second to say no. So guys, if you're one of them, please just say no, because you don't know what the other person is going through. It's very irritating. End of story. Then the other kind of friend is the perfect one. Nothing bad ever happens to this one. She's happily engaged or married or happily in her life and has everything in her bag and lives in the best of places. Just her life is just perfect and nothing bad really happens to her. Everything is just so good and so smooth. So yeah, I don't have such a friend. The counselor, a friend who you go to when you need really solid advice. While most of the time it's welcomed, the counselor also has a tendency to dole out her wisdom even when you don't ask for it. To be very honest, I am the counselor. It is very, very true. I am, and I do not deny it. A lot of my friends call me for advice and all, and I will hear them out. I will give them the advice. They will again do the same thing that they had to do. Again, they'll come back. Again, I'm giving the same advice. It's just a story that keeps going on and on and on. और कभी-कभार मेरी advice काम भी आती है. I help people also, यार. ऐसा नहीं है I don't help. I help everyone. Now the other type of friend, the whiner. This is a friend who does nothing but just whine about her work, her boyfriend, her body, her parents, her everything. Even when you call her out, she's just whining. She just can't help herself, and this is just who she is, different than everyone else, and she's all the time complaining, ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya, ye nahi ho raha, wo nahi ho raha. Especially whenever you talk, even if it's after 3 months or 2 months, or even if you talk tomorrow, the person is always whining. मतलब तुम्हारे लाइफ में कुछ तो अच्छा हो रहा होगा ना. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि तुम्हारे लाइफ में कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं हो रहा, कभी भी अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है. I have a friend who's like that. So I can totally relate to this. I hope you guys, if you do comment and let me know. But Bhagwan, people, like literally, it's just that why can't you be happy? For God's sake, just be happy. You're always like, oh my god, my head is spinning. Oh my god, this is happening. Oh my god, मेरे life में ये हो रहा है. मेरे life getting sympathy, I think, is just too much. Why? इतना मतलब कोई, you know, it is such a downer. I always say that, like, कभी तो यार, I want to once see you smile. I want to once see you happy, and I want to see you once not complain. And it's not like your life में something really drastic bad things are happening. It's normal things that you make it such a big issue in your life. Now the birthday queen. We all have that friend who, no matter what age she is turning, where she is, organizes a birthday party for herself and expects her girlfriend to just enjoy. And this can get annoying because you have to be so enthu about it, and even if you don't feel like going for it, you have to go for it because it's something we do every year. And I am talking about me again, the birthday queen. I love celebrating my birthday. So this year I didn't do anything so special because my friends were far away and I was in a new place, but it was a new birthday with different set of people. But I'm so glad I had my ma and pa with me and my husband with me, because truly they I love them, and that's about it. So I'm blessed to have them, and I'm blessed that it was different, and I was with these 3 people who I really love, and I enjoyed my time with them. Then another kind of friend is the shopping buddy. Shopping with others can be very annoying, but this one friend is totally you know, the person that you want to shop with likes the same kind of stores and like has the same, you know, similar taste and doesn't take so long. In my life is Ananya, so I love shopping with her and only her. Firstly, our taste is similar, and हम दोनों एक दूसरे को advice देते हैं. और it's you know, this is something that doesn't annoy me and I love it, that हम अगर we've gone to like H&M, because that used to be our favorite store. We've gone to separate ways. We come back and we have the same clothes when we are paying, and we're like, तूने भी ले लिया, oh shit. And then when I see something, I'm like, oh my god, I want the same thing. I can only copy with her, and I can only do everything. Like, I don't mind like if we both have the same clothes, and it's so weird. Even if we don't shop together, but हम कहीं और है, and she is gone somewhere and I have gone somewhere, and we have put out the same things, and we're like, oh shit, तूने भी लिया, मैंने भी लिया, and that has happened a lot. And she also has a good fashion sense, and she helps me out sometimes. I'm like, ये ले लूँ, and I'm like, what is this, yeah? So yeah, I like that, and she knows how to, like, I like shopping with her because it's fun, and it's never like, don't get this, don't get that. We're like, ye bhi le lete. So I only have one shopping partner, and I love shopping with her. So the other kind of friend is the gossip friend. This is a friend from whom don't say anything means tell everyone you know. She lives for gossip and often trash talks about people like you both know, while most of it is just probably harmless, but you kind of have to wonder what she says about you to other people when you're not around. I think that is what we all wonder a lot of times. Then the I'm broke one, that kind of friend. I'm broke. She always wants to hang out, but everything you suggest is too expensive. She also is the one who, when you go out for dinner or drinks, wants to split every single thing you order. And if you go for a trip, the matlab you have to go and you have to survive on Maggie. And even when you're going, sometimes they don't pay also. It's not sometimes, like, most of the time they expect you to pay, and if you do something, I think you should pay. But taking things from others is if my friends are watching this, they will relate to who I am trying to talk about. Because I have so many friends like this. I'm broke यार, broke हो लेकिन सब कुछ करना है, लेकिन पैसे नहीं देने हैं. ये मेरे को समझ नहीं आता. चलो एक बारी कर लिया आपके लिए, 2 बारी कर लिया, 3 बारी कर लिया, 4 बारी कर लिया, अभी कितनी बारी करोगे आप? It's so irritating. You have no idea. It irritates me so much. Like, bro, this is it. I don't want to pay yaar so much all the time. But yeah, and everything, every I think 365 days में ऐसा कभी एक day नहीं आएगा कि चल let's go and it's my treat or I will pay for what I am doing. I do not have like it never happens with me. Like that friend I'm talking about, never. ऐसा कभी नहीं है. चल मैं देती हूँ. You know, let me. I will pay for herself also. She will pay. वो भी बड़ी बात है, but वो नहीं होता. So whoever relates, you know what to do, right? Comment below. Oh God, this is terrible. Now the acquaintance type of friend. Wow, hey, so good to see you, yeah. Let's meet soon. Let's catch up. Never gonna happen. Never gonna happen. It's just आपको देख लिया. Hello, hi. आप इधर, मैं इधर. Oh, okay. Childhood best friend. This is going to be your oldest friend. You may or may not still be close to that person, but no matter what, she can play the I am your oldest friend card, and she will always be right. This can work for your advantage or against. It depends on the situation, but for a fact that you can share so much history with one person is pretty priceless. So yeah, I've seen that happening with others. Like I have childhood friends, I have a lot of study buddies, I have friends, but ऐसा कोई best friend type नहीं है. But yes, when you talk to an old friend, you just dig out so much history, and it's beautiful because you spend amazing. The girl you can't shake. This girl, this is the friend from whom you've made multiple attempts to break away. Maybe she's so annoying, maybe she is so self-involved, or maybe she's a bragger, but you just seem to get rid of you can't get rid of yourself from her completely. She'll always find some way to get back to you, lure you back, often because you know of the qualities you have, and you're just like, nahi yaar, it's okay. I have a friend who's like that. And I'm always like, bro, because जो भी हरकतें वो करती है ना, it's so like, I'm just like, how can you not be considerate about anybody? Find ways to, you know, like unfriend this person, but because I have so much history, I have so much geography, I have so much everything, it's so difficult. The mom. We all have that one friend who's always being the mom of the group, the one who acts like a 40-year-old person when she is 20-year-old, the one who playfully scolds you for staying out too late, partying too much, or choosing the wrong guys. She may or may not have kids, but she has all the experiences, and she's just a mother to you, and all the time like, ye nahi karna chahiye, wo nahi karna chahiye, and that is me. I will not say anything. Okay, the selfie queen. Everyone has that one friend who, whenever you go out, wherever you go, the first, second, the last thing on her agenda is just to take a selfie. Oh, let's take a selfie. She never goes home from a night without not taking a selfie. She will have like some 10 Instagram posts and videos and various duck faces and with each and every person, and you know, it's just crazy. So I have had friends like that. I have, and using me na, like, oh, likes mil jayenge because my followers will follow her for my things. This has happened a lot. Saint friends. So that is Pooja in my life. Like everything you do, people come to me for advice, I go to her because she's the one who would be like, Meeti, you know, I will chant for you, I will do this for you, don't worry, if this has gone wrong, this will happen. Like the same thing I expect someone to, you know, like I will tell someone, she's the one, but she is more like religious, more committed, and वो कभी कुछ बुरा नहीं करती है. She only sees, hears, does everything good for everyone, always doing a helping hand, and she, yes, does go overboard. I'm talking about Pooja here, yes. But she is such a beautiful soul person. Her heart is so pure that it's like, I always like, and she's a saint, yeah. Like she's so sweet. Innocently अगर कुछ बोल भी दिया है, it's like, अरे यार, so cute. और उसके बाद अगर कुछ गलत कर ले तो 50 बारी sorry. And like, अरे इतनी बड़ी बात थी नहीं जितनी तुम sorry बोल रहे हो. So yeah, and this is the last one that I'm saying. I know this segment has gone really long, but okay, ending it with this last type of friend. The possessive friend, over possessive friend. We all have that friend who is extremely possessive about you, and doesn't want to share you with anyone and just wants you everywhere. Everything is about you, and when you're out with your girlfriends, then everything is about the both of you. And you know, this is like, "Arey, you stay away, she's my best friend. Arey, you stay away, she's my best friend." And always jataying that you're your best friend. किसकी ऐसी दोस्त है? मेरी है. आपकी है तो please comment and let me know. And with this I end the segment. I know it's gone too long, but बहुत बड़ कर लिया मैंने. But I hope you like this episode, and friends are funny, yaar. I think such kind of people in your life actually make your life so entertaining, and especially when you have most of the qualities. Guruma. So life is crazy, life is amazing, life is short, so live it, smile it, and people who are bad, just push them away, but people who are good, pull them in. So yes, that's it. So signing off, this is Needy Taylor, Baba, and please, if you like this, you know what to do. You need to like and subscribe, and do shower all your love to me, because I need it all. And TaylorMade Stories ka 1 year is also completed, so I'm so glad. But keep showering, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the updated videos, and don't forget to write your questions down so I can answer them on Tuesday. Yes, a lot of love, and follow me on all Instagram, Hippie, Twitter, Facebook, follow me everywhere, and YouTube, subscribe. Don't forget, I need all your love. Okay, bye.